Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Chen Zhang, Microsoft Azure MVP and AWS Certificate Solution Professional. We will keep our topic using demo and tools to learn CISSP. Last topic, I have already shown you how to use the public CA DigiCert to generate a public certificate to make sure the communication between the client and the server, VPN server, is secure. We're using the SSTP VPN. And today we will go on this topic. We will take a look another very important application using the certificate, and which also very basic, rudimentary. That's the HTTPS server. Also, this idea is come from the CISSP book, the chapter 6, cryptography and symmetric key algorithm, which have already introduced us lots of symmetric algorithm, just like the very common AES, DES, triple DES. So today I will show you how to generate a triple DES key, and what's more, we will try to generate the X509 standard PKI certificate ourselves. We will not rely on the public CA. We will build the CA ourselves. Sounds good? Yeah. That's our today's or the topic and the process. First, I will show you how to visit HTTP web server using this domain name. This is also a private domain name. Private domain name, that means I didn't own this domain. I have not paid money to acquire this domain from the domain name authority, just like the GoDaddy, just like DigiCert. I just build this domain ourselves, so I need to visit, use no matter the DNS, or the simple way is to edit the host file directly. I will not introduce too much about this because it's very fundamental of the network DNS application, and we will try to use the Wireshark, very useful and important tools to make the validation to see why everyone talk about HTTP is not security enough. So we will use the Wireshark to capture the plaintext, which means the communication between the client and the server is not encrypted. Means that if someone sniffer in our network, he or she can get everything we still using the HTTP protocol. What's more, we will show our main rule today, that's the OpenSSL. We will leverage OpenSSL to build our private CA, and we will configure the OpenSSL, generate a CA certificate for our client usage ourselves, just like the same idea I show you last video, generate a CA, but the concept is different, because last time I show you we are using the public CA service. Today we build the private service ourselves. So it's free, yeah, it's free, but the limitation is that we are using the private CA, that the scope will be within our enterprise, and once we got the CA certificate, we will input the same process to our web server. Difference is last time we import our certificate to the VPN server. This time our application server tend to be the web server, and we will use the HTTPS to visit the website, and we will still use the Wireshark to capture the encryption communication between client browser, and HTTPS will get the picture what the difference between HTTP and HTTPS. Alright, and I will show you my environment first. I got quite simple. I got two machines. One is Windows 10. Okay, Windows 10. Let me start it. Okay. And another one is the Ubuntu. Okay. I will not show you how to install the web server because it's very simple. apt-get install Apache to just this commander, and I have already finished this one, though I will show you directly my domain name. I can use this domain name because I have already added the host file. We can take a look. It's very easy. Open a notepad first. Drag this file to the notepad. You can see here that's the IP address of this Ubuntu, and that's our domain name we defined. Okay, now we got it, and I have already added some plaintext to show hello CISSP 123. Then I will use Wireshark to capture the packet during the communication process. Okay. Then we try to refresh it. We can see we got some packet. Okay. Maybe I cannot make sure whether they have some cache. So for the best practice, I will use another web browser, because this website is quite simple. So maybe there will be the cache. So the same. Yeah. You see, oh, by default it will give me the S, so I should remove the S. Or just click. Yeah, we got it. So we stop it, and we will show the HTTP. We'll take a filter, HTTP. Yeah, we got the, you can see this is the reply package, and it will give us all the information with the plaintext. You can see we can got all the information, hello CISSP 123. That's quite not security, I think. So now I think most professional commercial website will based on HTTPS, not HTTP. Okay.